Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dhyana Bhavsar. California walloped by winter storm with high winds and heavy rain and snow. California was walloped Monday by a powerful winter storm carrying treacherous thunderstorms, high wind and heavy snow in mountain areas. Millions of Los Angeles County residents faced flash flood warnings as rain pounded the region, and people in some areas scared by last year's devastating wildfires were under an evacuation warning through Thursday because of the potential for mud and debris flows. Los Angeles mayor ordered emergency crews and city department to be ready to respond to any problems. The storm weakened havoc on roadways spanning from Sonoma County to the Sierra Nevada. Traffic was halted temporarily in both directions on I-80 near the Nevada state line due to spontaneous and crashes, the California Department of Transportation reported. In Santa Barbara County, a large tree toppled onto US 101, shutting down southbound lanes. The heavy snow, wind, and low visibility could also make travel conditions dangerous to the near impossible, forecaster added. California's Office of Emergency Services said it was placing fire and rescue personnel and resources in areas most at risk of flooding, mud, and debris flow. In Southern California, Six Flags Magic Mountain was closed Monday due to the storm, and Knott's Berry Farm Amusement Park shut indoors early. But the winter weather was celebrated by local ski resorts that have awaited weeks for snow. Other states on Monday braced for different threatening weather event. Residents in the part of eastern Colorado received warnings that could be in fire danger due to the combination of abnormally high temperature, gusty wind, and dry conditions. The risks were expected to continue further into the week as gusts up to 60 mph are likely to hit the Colorado eastern plains on Tuesday. Parts of Texas, New Mexico, and Kansas were also under red flag warnings. That's all for now. For more weather news update, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular update.